Super easy 4-mile run this morning. Gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and that totals a week at 23 miles, which is a pretty light week for me. And honestly, the week just got away from me. I was supposed to go on more medium to longer runs, but I didn't. My girlfriend's parents were here, but that is no excuse. So I'm gonna get back on it this week. And I was supposed to go on a medium to long run this morning as well, but my glutes still feel tight. I don't feel 100% just yet. And there was a little bit of a twinge in my knee, so I wanted to take it easy and then just restart tomorrow. And weeks like this happen, though not much that I can do but get back on the horse tomorrow. Though I am actually kind of glad that this happened, because today I still feel a little bit overtrained. Everything's still a little bit more sore than I'm used to. Usually with 1 day of active rest, I am fully recovered, but I'm still feeling it today a little bit. So with yesterday's active rest and today's active rest, I think by tomorrow I should be at 95 to 100%. And I just treat today and yesterday as more of a deload. Speaking of active rest, just got done with some body weight pull-ups. Ended up doing body weight times 9 sets of 15 reps per set. And you might ask, why didn't you just do 10? Well, if I did 10, it wouldn't look as pretty in this clip, in this shot right here. I am definitely slacking with my pull-ups. So my goal for the year was 36,600 pull-ups, which is an average of 100 pull-up per day. Through April, I actually was super ahead of schedule. In April, I did 150 every single day, and I built up this huge buffer. And then in May, and now halfway through June, I really only did, probably since the beginning of May, 1,000 to maybe 1,500 pull-ups. So I am definitely behind, and the buffer that I built has dissipated. So I got to get back on it. The goal is to do 120 to 150 per day, just so that I can catch up a little bit. And I'm excited. My back is getting stronger. I'm still going to be incorporating each week the 3 sets of, I think last week I did 28 reps per set, so this week it will be 29. And all of this pull-up work to hopefully build up my one hang max pull-up. I eventually want to hit 50, that is the goal. And speaking of pull-ups, I think I will be doing 1,000 pull-ups when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So the day before that I hit 1K subscribers, which should be pretty soon. I think maybe in the next 5 to 10 days or so, I will be doing 1,000 pull-ups. I wonder how long that's gonna take me. It's gonna be a fun day. And over the past few years, I really started to adopt some of the principles of minimalism. I am by no means a minimalist, though I really do like a lot of the things that comes with minimalism. Like, I am super conscious of everything that I buy now. If I don't need it, I tend not to buy it. I have a 48-hour rule. If I want something, I'll put it in the cart and I'll wait 48 hours. If after the 48 hours, I really want that item, then I'll get it. But a lot of times, I would say 90% of the time, I end up not getting it. And anytime that I buy an item, I usually like to have a dialogue with myself, ask myself, is this going to be worth it? Is this going to be an investment in yourself? Because anytime I buy anything now, that's the question that I ask. Is it going to be an investment in yourself? Or are you really just buying it for no real use? And a lot of times, the items that I buy now, it's more for utilization, and I have to get my money's worth. It's not about looking good, but it's like, how often am I going to use it, and is it going to propel me forward, especially in terms of my goals. So for example, my GoPro Hero 8, I definitely should use my GoPro Hero 8 more, though that has been a worthwhile investment. And then also my new running shoes, my Nike React Milers and my Nike Peg 37s, they are an investment in myself to not get injured. And also another area that I think minimalism has really shined a light, especially on my life, is how much I waste in terms of food, in terms of being more sustainable. I really try to do my best, especially to be a little bit more sustainable, to make sure that I recycle whatever I can, not just cans, not just bottles, though making sure that I am recycling. I am not yet composting, and maybe I'll get there one day. Though it just kind of opens up my mind for other areas in which I am being wasteful. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here. There's a video right here. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.